Hello students, welcome back. This is Shivlila from our public school. As you all know, we are in exercise part of new branch of mathematics, that is algebra, right? So in this new branch, we are dealing with variables, constant, expressions and equations, right? So now we are in third exercise. Here we have to frame the expression, and if expression is given, we have to say how does it formed. Okay, yesterday already we have done that, how does it formed. Now we have to frame the equation. I mean expression, not equation, expression. Okay, come on. See, I have already written two. Let us see. See, 7 is added to P. 7 is added to what? To P, right? Next, 7 is subtracted from P. From P, 7 is subtracted, right? Next, P multiplied by 7. P multiplied by 7. Then what to do? It is nothing but 7 times P, right? Yes. Next, P is divided by 7. P divided by 7. Okay, as usual, 3 divided by 2, how will we write like that? P divided by 7. That's it. Next, 7 subtracted from 7 subtracted from minus m. Minus m. As usual, same. M is also a number. Instead of a number, they have given a variable, unknown number. That's it. From term should be. So minus m. Okay. Minus m. 7 is subtracted from that. So minus 7. Negative integers we have to represent inside a bracket. That's why. Okay. Next one. Minus p is multiplied by 5. F1, right? Minus p multiplied by 5. So 5 into minus p. 5 into minus p. Negative integer we have to represent inside a bracket. Even we can write it as minus 5p. My plus into minus, minus 5 into p, 5p. That's it. Okay. Now, next one. G. Minus p divided by 5. Minus p divided by 5. So, minus p divided by 5. That's it. Next, p multiplied by minus 5. P multiplied by minus 5. Yes. You can guess it. See, actually, I am just thinking that I'm just moving like a metro train. Fast, right? But what is there to explain? Already explained, and you know how to frame the expression. And so easy questions they have given here. So easy, see, nothing. Minus p is multiplied by minus 5. Minus 5 into p. That's it. It is nothing but again minus 5p only. If we simplify. If it doesn't, this is the answer. That's it. Right? Yes. Over. Second bit, fourth bit over. Now fifth bit. Fifth bit, give expression in the following cases. Give expression in the following cases. A1 then. 11 added 2. 11 added 2. 2m. What is the solution? See, 2m plus 11 addition. Right? Addition. 2m plus 11. Same way, B1. 11 subtracted from 2m. So as you know, from term should be first. From 2m, 11 is subtracted. Right? Yes. Next one. C1. 5 times y, to which 3 is added. To which 3 is added. Right? So 5 times y. 5 times y is 5y. Right? 5 times y is 5y. 3 is added to 5 times y. It is nothing but 5y. So it implies that 5y plus 3. Right? Got it? 5 times y is 5y. To which 3 is added. So to 5y, 3 is added. So 5y plus 3. Got it? Very easy. Now, 5 times y, from which 3 is subtracted. That you can do by yourself now. 5 times y is 5y. From 5y, 3 is subtracted. That means 5y minus 3 you will get, right? Next, y is multiplied by 8. Y is multiplied by minus 8. What is the answer? Minus 8 into y. Even we can write it as minus 8y. Okay. Now, F1. F1. Y is multiplied by minus 8, and then 5 is added to the result, and then 5 is added to the result. Right? When we multiply, y is multiplied by minus 8, means minus 8 times y we will get, right? Minus 8y. Then 2 minus 8y, 5 is added, or else let us rewrite the sentence. 5 is added. 5 is added. When we multiply, we will get this result. No. To this result, 5 is added. 5 is added to the result. This is the result. Right? 5 is added to minus 8y. So this is nothing but minus 8y plus 5. Right? Yes. Next, G1. Y is multiplied by 5. And the result is subtracted from 16. Okay, from 16. So from term should be first. So 16 minus 5 is, sorry, y is multiplied by 5. When we multiply y by 5, we get 5y. That 5y, that result is subtracted from 16. That means 16 minus 5y we will get. In the same way, next one also. Okay, come on. G1. Y is multiplied by 5, and the result is subtracted from, and the result is subtracted from 16. Come on. See. Y is multiplied by 5 means 5y, right? Then result is 5y now. 5y is subtracted from 16. It is nothing but 16 minus 5y. From 16, this is subtracted. Got it? Yes. Next, G1. Y is multiplied by H1. Y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. First multiplied by minus 5. Then the result is added to 16. Just like this only. I hope you can do it by yourself. Next, sixth one. Sixth one, A. Form expression using T and 4. Form expression using T and 4. Use not more than one number operation. Use not more than one number operation. Means one operation you have to use at a time. Okay. One number operation. And every expression must have T in it. Every expression must have T in it. Okay. So, use it T and 4. 4 of minus T. T multiplied by 4. T divided by 4. 4 is divided by T. Right? Like this. As many as you can. Okay. Then B1. Form expression using Y, 2 and 7. Every expression must have Y in it. Use only 2 number operations. These should be different. See, come on. First, 2y plus 7. Multiplication and addition. Then 2y minus 7. Multiplication and subtraction. 7 minus 2y. Same. Right? Then 2 divided by y plus 7. Division and addition. 2 by y plus, minus 7. Division and subtraction. 7 minus 2 by y. So, the same way, subtraction and division. Then 7y plus 2. Multiplication and addition. 7y minus 2. Multiplication and subtraction. 2 minus 7y. Subtraction and multiplication. Then 2 minus 7 by y. Subtraction and 2 plus 7 by y. Addition and division. Right? Like that we can. Right? Even we can change it. 7 by y minus 2. Division and subtraction. Right? How many? You can do it. Fine? This is only 15 minutes. Almost we have completed this exercise. Still we have 15 minutes. Let's go for the next exercise. Okay. Next exercise also. Here, everything is given. Number, variable, everything was mentioned. So just we had to frame the expression. Now in the next case, only situation is given. Nothing else. Okay, situation is given. And everything is given in words, not in symbols. Right? So come on. Exercise 11.4. First one, answer the following. Answer the following. I'm not going to write the questions because they are very long. But solutions are very short. Solutions are very short. A1. I'll read it first. Take Sarita's present age to be by years. Okay. What is Sarita's present age? Sarita's present age. Sarita's present age is Y years. Okay. Y years. Next. First one, the question. What will be her age after 5 years from now? Present age, for example. Now, if you are 11 years old, then after 5 years, how many years old you will be? That's the question. If you are at present, if you are 11 years old, after 5 years, you will be 16 years old, right? Then, what operation you have done there? You added, right? You added. So, same way here also. Present age Y. After 5 years, add 5 to Y. That's it, okay? Her age after 5 years. Her age after means in future. After 5 years is Y plus 5 years. Okay. Then what was her age 3 years back? If we are 11 years and now at present, then 3 years back, how many years old you were? That's the question. So what you will do? Last year, 10 years. Before last year, 9 years. Before last year, 8 years. That means, when will you get 8? When you subtract 3 from 11, right? So you have to subtract. Operation will be subtraction. So do the same thing now. Her age before 3 years. Before 3 years, her age was Y minus 3 years. Okay. Then, Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? Sarita's grandfather's age. Her grandfather's age. Her grandfather's age is 6 times her age. 6 times her age is Y. 6 times Y is nothing but 6Y years. Right? Right? Yes. So grandfather's age is 6Y years. Next, fourth one. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? Grandmother's age. Grandmother's age is 2 years younger. Younger than what? Younger than grandfather's age. But grandfather's age is 6Y. So younger than 6Y. So it is younger means smaller. Younger means smaller. Smaller means age will be less or more. It will be less, right? So less means, do we subtract or add? We should subtract, isn't it? So 6Y minus 2 years. Okay. Then fifth one. Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Okay. Sarita's father age or her father age. Sarita's father age is 5 years more. 5 years more than what? More than 3 times her age. 3 times her age is y. Her age is y. Next, I'll continue here. 5 more. 5 years I just kept silent here. Okay. 5 more than 3 times y. 3 times y is nothing but 3y. Right? Now, 5 more. More means we have to add that. Right? So, we have to add that 5 to this one. 3y plus 5 years. Right? Got it? See, Sarita's father is 5 years more than 3 times her age. But her age is 5. 5 years. 5. So 3 times y. 3 times y is nothing but 3y. Then 5 years more. 5 more than 3. 5 more than 3 is 8. But 5 more than 3y. Again there is a number multiplied to 3. So 3y plus 5. Got it? Yes. Now we'll go to second one. B. B. Okay. The length of a rectangular hall, is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if breadth is b meters? What is given? Given that breadth is b meters. Right? B meters. Then again, if I write only m, don't get confused. Meter, unit. Okay. Then length is 4 meters less. 4 meters less than 3 times breadth is nothing but b. Right? Breadth is nothing but b. So 4 meters. Again, don't get okay. If I write m, again you may get confused. I'm not writing this. M is nothing but meters. Okay. 4 less than 3 times b is nothing but 3b. So less means what we have to do? Less means subtraction, right? So 3b minus 4 meters. Okay. Okay. Fine. So therefore, length of the rectangular hall is 3b minus 4 meters. Okay. Next one. C1. A rectangular box. C1. A rectangular box has height h centimeter. Okay. Height of rectangular box. Okay. I'm changing the ink, right? Given height of a rectangular box. A rectangular box. How much? It is h centimeter. Okay. Again, don't get confused what is meant by h here. H centimeter. Okay. Then what they asked? Its length is 5 times the height. Length is 5 times height. 5 times height. Height is nothing but 5 times h. Height is nothing but 5 times h. So 5 times h is nothing but 5h centimeter. Right? Next, its breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Express the length and the breadth of a box in terms of height. Okay. Breadth equals to 10 centimeter less than length. Okay. So 10 centimeter less than length is nothing but 5h. 5h. So what is the solution? If I write here, it's not visible. Let me write here only. Okay. 10 centimeter less. Less means I have to subtract. Right? Less means I have to subtract. From what? Less than what? 5h. So I have to subtract 10 from 5h. Right? So 5h minus 10 centimeter. Okay, 5h minus 10 centimeter. Got it? Now, D1. Read the question until then. Read the question. D1, it's a situation given that Meena, Beena and Leena. Okay, 3 girls. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing mountain. Okay, they are going to, they are climbing mountain with the steps. Okay, number of steps are there, but they did not given how many steps are there. They did not even given what is the position of those 3 girls. But they gave, directly they did not give, but indirectly they have given. So we can use algebra to mention that steps. Right? Shall we? Come on. See, Meena, Beena, Leena are climbing steps to the hilltop. Hilltop is nothing but top of the mountain. Okay. Then Meena is at step yes. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Ahead means front. Okay, front. Then Leena is 7 steps behind. Behind means back. 7 less. Ahead means 8 more. Then where are Beena and Leena? Not Meena. Meena is already given. It's a print mistake in textbook. It's not Meena, it's Leena. Okay. Meena is already they have given. Meena is at step yes. Okay. Then the total number of steps to the hilltop they have given. Total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. 4 times Meena has reached. Meena has reached the step yes. So 4 times yes. 4 times yes is nothing but 4s. 10 less than that. So 4s minus 10 you will get. Express the total number of steps using yes. Okay. D1. Okay. Step where Meena is. Step where Meena is at step yes. Okay. Then Beena is 8 steps ahead. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Ahead means front. It is nothing but 8 more than yes. 8 more than yes. It is nothing but yes plus 8. Okay. Then Leena is how many steps behind? 7 steps behind. 7 steps behind. Behind is nothing but less. Okay. 7 less than yes. So 7 should be subtracted from yes. So yes minus 7. Then total number of steps. Total number of steps is nothing but how many? 10 less. 10 less than 4 times Okay, 4 times 10 less than 4 times what Meena reached. Meena is at yes, right? Meena is at yes. 4 times yes, right? So 4 times yes is nothing but 4s. 10 less than 4 yes. 4 times s is 4s. Less than 4s. So 4 yes minus 10 is the total number of steps. Got it? Meena has reached yes steps. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Ahead means front. So if she is in 8th step, she will be in 16th step. Got it? In the same way, Leena is 7 steps less behind. Behind means back. Right? So yes minus 7. Now total number of steps. 10 less than 4 times where Meena has reached. Meena is at yes. So 4 times yes. 4 times yes is nothing but 4s. From 4s 10 less. Less means still smaller. So we have to subtract 10 from 4s. Got it? Understood? Fine. Now it's enough for today. In this exercise, still one more problem is there. Not in this exercise, in this first bit. Still we have 2 more bits. Okay. Then we'll go to the next exercise in the next class. Okay. Until then, you can also try to solve by yourself. It's very, very, very easy. Just instead of a particular number, already you have done it. Okay. With the number, you have already done it in your lower classes. But there was a particular fixed number. But now, instead of that fixed number, some variable is given. Okay, if you don't get on this spot with that variable, leave it. Imagine a number, imagine that situation. Then you will get to know what operation has to be done. Then you can solve. Okay, try fifth one by yourself, means E1 by yourself. I'm not going to solve it. Then second one, then third one also. Few I will solve here, few will be your work. Okay. You can also try by yourself at home. Fine. We'll meet in the next clipping. Until then, enjoy this new branch of math. Bye-bye.